Welcome to the Worldwide Developers Conference.
OS X Mavericks. Starting with Finder tabs, tagging, multiple displays, advanced technologies. Technologies like AppNap, system-wide core animation accelerated scrolling, and OpenGL4 for super responsive graphics, timer coalescing, compressed memory. Let's talk about Safari, iCloud keychain. Next, some improvements to notifications, calendar, maps. We're bringing iBooks to the Mac.
I'd like to talk to you about the MacBook Air. It's based on a new 4th generation Intel Core processor, otherwise known as Haswell, up to an incredible 9 hours of battery life. The 13 goes from 7 to 12 hours of battery life. Flash is faster, up to 45%, and Wi-Fi is faster too. Now 802.11ac Wi-Fi networking. So there's a new Airport Extreme. So we have a new Airport Time Capsule as well. We'd like to give you a sneak peek of something we're working on. A new generation Intel Xeon chip, ECC memory, 1866 megahertz DDR3, new PCIe-based flash, Thunderbolt 2, dual workstation GPUs, and this supports 4K displays. You can have up to 3 4K displays, and here it is alongside the previous generation. There is audio, 4 USB 3, 6 FireWire 2, being driven by 3 FireWire 2 controllers. It's gigabit Ethernet, HDMI out. It even lights up to show you where the I/O is. And that's the Mac Pro. Back to you, Tim.
Next, I'd like to talk about iCloud. Roger?
Introducing iWork for iCloud. Lets you create beautiful documents right in a browser on a Mac or on a PC. Go straight to my iCloud homepage where you see 3 new app icons, sensitive format panel. So I'll just select some text, go up to my styles, choose a text style. Well, I have a Word document here. I'm just going to drag that in from my desktop and drop that in the Pages for iCloud window. And here I am editing a Microsoft Word document in Pages for iCloud. All right, let's take a look at numbers. As you can see, this spreadsheet has a bunch of different sheets in it. And there you go, my chart updates. Fill this across the rest of the table. I just drag it across. All right, let's try Keynote. Photographs, text, fonts. I can rearrange the slides if I want to. Let's rotate the image. This is all happening in a browser. And click play. You see our beautiful Keynote 3D animations. This is a Windows 8 desktop. I have IE and Chrome here. I'm just going to fire up Chrome. As you can see, it's the same. There's the slide we just made. With iWork for iCloud, you can do some pretty great stuff on the web. We support Safari best, I should say. We also support IE and Chrome. And now you have iWork on all your devices. You can create a document on your Mac, you can edit on your PC, and you can present from your iPhone.
Next, we'd like to turn our attention to iOS. You are going to absolutely love iOS 7. Because of the incredible collaboration between Johnny and his amazing design team and Craig and his incredible engineering team.
Let's take a look. It's unbelievable, gorgeous. Looks so great. They just look fantastic. That liveliness actually carries through to the home screen because as you move the device in your hand, it actually tracks your motion and it carries over across the system, this liveliness. I mean, just take a look at something like weather. It's great for apps you use every day, like messages. Your calendar, your email is gorgeous. Your friends never looked more attractive. And Game Center, we just completely ran out of green felt. And wood as well. This has got to be good for the environment. The clocks look great. And even apps like Stocks and Compass. But iOS 7 is actually more than that. It's also a major feature release as well, starting with Control Center. Swipe up from the bottom of the device, and there they are. Turn on airplane mode, adjust your brightness, play a song, even get a flashlight. And available from anywhere, including your lock screen. Next, let's talk about multitasking. I'm pleased to announce that we're going to have multitasking for all apps with great battery life. You can double click and move into Notification Center and just swipe between your running applications, tap, and move right in. Next, let's talk about Safari. Has a great new full screen look, so you can really focus on your content. You can get it one-tap access to all of your favorites. And it's a great new interface for your tabs. The iOS 7, including Airdrop, be the easiest way to share with the people that are right around you. When you're in any app that supports a share sheet, and your friends that are all around you just show up right there. You tap on one, and they're going to get a panel right on their display, and they can accept what it is that you shared. They accept it, they're taken right into the app. If you want to share with multiple people, you just tap, tap, tap. No need to wander around the room bumping your phone with others. It uses the latest Wi-Fi hardware. It's supported on the iPhone 5, the 4th generation iPad, iPad mini, and the 5th generation iPod Touch. Next, let's talk about the camera. 7 is 4 cameras in one. You can just swipe from your video camera to your photo camera, to your square cropped camera, to your pano camera. You now have access to live photo filters, and it's the new Photos app. We organize them into moments. It's a really great way to browse your photos. You can even go all the way out to the year level. You can just tap and scrub and find the photo you're looking for just like that. So I can just pick a photo here, whichever one I want. And now we can edit it because we have photo filters. So I can go into the filters here. I can try different color effects. We also have great new ways to share your photos. Airdrop right here. Great photo sharing option is Icloud photo sharing. I'm going to tap on that now. And from here, I can select the photo streams that I want to share to. And now other people can share into my photo stream as well. And now we even support sharing video via Icloud photo sharing. Browse those shared photos. I just tilt the device into landscape. I can scroll through it like this. So that's the new Photos app in iOS 7.
So let's talk about Siri. Gorgeous new interface. And we've got an all-new voice. It knows how to control more of your device. So you could say, play my last voicemail, turn on Bluetooth, or increase my brightness. And it can answer a lot more questions, like Twitter. We've integrated the world's largest encyclopedia in Wikipedia, and we've even integrated web search results from Bing right inside of Siri. Now, Siri is also a big part of our next feature, iOS in the car. Get iOS on the screen that is built into your car so that you can make phone calls, play music, go to maps, get your iMessages right on the screen in your car, or eyes-free using Siri. Next, the App Store. Now, the App Store looks beautiful. We've added a new feature where you can look for apps based on your age range. You can find the most popular apps based on your current location. Now, the next feature I know you're all going to love because the App Store updates your apps automatically. Next, let's talk about music. Notice as we provide you with beautiful artist images right in your library. You see all of your purchased music from iCloud, but today we're introducing an amazing way to discover new music, and we call it iTunes Radio. Built right into the music app, we've got a set of featured stations that our programming team have created. So you just tap, and you could share it with a friend or even create a new station based on this artist or song. iTunes Radio is built into iOS 7. It works on your iPhone, your iPod Touch, and your iPad. It's also built into iTunes on your Mac and PC, built into Apple TV. iTunes Radio is free with ads. If you're an iTunes Match subscriber, it's completely ad-free.
So 10 amazing features in iOS 7. And of course, we're bringing it all to iPad as well. Now, there's more to iOS 7 than we had time to talk to you about in depth here today. FaceTime audio, notification sync, phone FaceTime and message blocking, activation lock. If a thief tries to turn off Find My iPhone, or if they even wipe the device entirely, they will not be able to reactivate it because they don't know your iCloud username and password. A final release coming this fall. iOS 7 will be available for iPhone 4 and later, iPad 2 and later, the iPad mini, and the 5th generation iPod Touch.
Have a great conference. Enjoy the week. Thank you.